Hey, this is Sunil. Welcome back to another video on this channel. And today I want to talk about the myForexFunds challenge or the account that I now trade. It is a funded account now. And a lot of you guys are asking frequently, what is with the myForexFunds challenge account? Do you still have it? Did you lose it? And questions like this. And the thing is, I still have this account. So I prepared my server for you so you can see this. So you can see here, this is the myForexFunds account. And you can see it's still alive, but nothing really happened. So the account is in a small drawdown now, and you can see these are all the trades that were executed on the account. And it's like the account started really bad. Directly in the at the second day when I started the account, I had the first loss, and then I had some profits. And now in the last few days or weeks, I had several losses. So in total, this account already had 3 losing trades, which is quite a lot for this scalping strategy. So right now, I'm just waiting for this account to recover. But also, I trade this account with a really low risk. So right now, I'm trading both currencies, Euro US dollar and US dollar Japanese yen, with a risk of 0.5%, which is of course not a lot. And I do this because my number one goal is to just be profitable by just a bit. So I will get my my refund, or the refund for my registration fee for this challenge. And I think for this purpose, I just have to be profitable by just some US dollar, like 125, I don't know. And then I should be able to request the payout, and I will also get the refund for my registration fee and I think 8% bonus on the profits of the second phase. So this is why I don't really risk a lot in this account right now. And I just wait for this actually really bad period right now to be over. Also, let's have a look at the overview over this account. So you can see here, this is now the evaluation funded live account. So this is not a challenge account. So you see, I do not have a profit target or something. So I can trade for as long as I want in this account, so to say. And this is why I do not really risk too much here right now. And you can also see I'm trading for 19 days now. The account is still active, and yeah, everything's good so far. But of course, I cannot request a payout or anything because I am currently not in profit. And this is the main thing that I'm working on right now, or not. I'm not working on it, but the strategy is doing it. And I just hope that it can recover, because during the challenge phase and also like in general, the last 2 months, the strategy was performing really well. And now in this month, the December, everything's working, it's not really working that good. So I'm just waiting for the strategy to recover, so I will get my money back. And this is pretty much all I can say about this account right now. So it's still alive, it's still running, and yeah, I'm just waiting to get a small profit and then request a payout. Also, let's have a look at the other live trading account that I trade, because I can talk a little bit about the scalping strategy in general. So you can see this account also suffered quite a lot, because as you can see, in the first days when I started this account, everything was working really smoothly, everything was working really good. There were more winners, far more winners than losing trades, and therefore the account was making a lot of profit. But then also for this account, of course, especially the last 2 weeks, I would say, or 2 to 3 weeks. So you can see here the end of November was also not that good. There were a lot of losing trades, and this happens, of course. I mean, I cannot really see the future. If I could, I would have not traded these days, but it's just how trading works. You risk something, and then you hope that you can win something out of your trades, but sometimes it just doesn't work and you will lose something. And there were a lot of losing trades in the last days, which, of course happens. Also, you can see, for example, the last trade was a really big loss today, because there was a lot of slippage. This is also a big issue that you cannot really, I don't think you will find a good workaround to avoid slippage. Slippage is just always there. Slippage is there because the broker can pretty much give you any price, and especially during news events, it's kind of hard to predict what will happen. And you will see a lot of slippage. For example, if you compare this trade from today here in the live trading account to the one that was done in the live trading account of the myForexFunds company, you can see the myForexFunds company actually processed the trailing stop. There was still a little bit of slippage, so this trade was negative. But of course, the loss here of 0.71 US dollar is a lot less than this, than hitting the initial stop loss for this real life account. So you can see, the execution of trades is really different if you compare different brokers. And this is another question that a lot of you guys ask me. I receive a lot of questions, or also in the Telegram group that I created for this account, a lot of guys are sharing their results. And if you join this group, you will see that pretty much for every single trade, there are guys who win and there are some traders who lose. And this is because of the broker. Because the broker makes the price. And this is something that a lot of people do not understand. Forex is not some regulated market like stock trading or futures trading. So there's not only one price for everyone. It's a little bit different because if you trade Forex, it's just you and the broker. And you two, you have a deal pretty much. You have a contract, so to say. And the broker is the one who, in the end, decides what price he will give you. And you can only trade the price that the broker gives you. So this is why for different brokers, you will have different trading results. And also, what is also really interesting, also for the same broker, you might have different trading results because you can have different filling prices for your orders. I know this is a little bit confusing and it's hard to understand. And I would also love to say that you always get the price that you want, but this is not the reality of trading. So what is important for trading this strategy or for trading any strategy in general? I think it is important to not look at one single trade or one single week or 2 weeks. It's important to really have a look at a longer period of time. And this is why I will, of course, still trade this strategy, because I think in the strategy test I looked really good over a long period of time. And also the last 2 months have shown that this is possible in a live trading account. So this is why I do not just turn off the strategy, and I will still trade it for some more days. And maybe in a month or two, I will make another comparison to see if the live trading results are actually a representation pretty much of the testing results. If I compare the completely the same period. And this is a really important test that I do with any EA that I use in a live trading account. And if I see a really big gap, so let's say I trade like 3 or 4 months in a live trading account with a strategy, and then I test the same period with in the strategy tester. And if there's a really big gap for the equity or balance performance, then I will have to overthink the strategy. But right now, I don't really see the need to do so. So, okay, so this was an update for the myForexFunds trading and also for the scalping strategy in general. So I will still trade the strategy for the next days, weeks, whatever. And I think I will make an update for the myForexFunds account if something really interesting happens, because right now nothing really happens. So you can see this account is still up and running. It's in a drawdown, but this drawdown is really small because the allowed drawdown is $500 and I'm just $20 down. So with the risk that I take here, it's really unrealistic that I hit that I violate any drawdown rule here. It would take, I don't know, a year or so for me to hit the drawdown or to violate the drawdown rule. So this is why there was no update. But yeah, I will give you more updates. So just subscribe to the channel to not miss anything. And I will give you another update when I can make the first payout, or maybe when I blow up the account. But either way, I will let you know. So thanks for watching. I hope I was able to show you everything that happened here in this account. If there are any open questions, just leave them in the comment section below. As always, I'm really glad to read all your comments, and I will do my best and try to answer most of them if I'm able to. So thanks for watching. Have a great time. And yeah, also if I do not upload another video, I'm not sure yet, then I hope that you will have a great Christmas celebration, and yeah, just a good time with your family and friends. So have a great time, good trades, bye bye.